This is your feed and stock report for Tuesday, May 19th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are minded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. Across the province on Friday, steers 900 plus 458 to 470, 8 to 900 497 to 514. 7 to 800 540 to 563, 6 to 700 619 to 630, 5 to 600 675 to 722, 4 to 500 745 to 815. Heifers 900 plus 436 to 453, 8 to 900 465 to 487, 7 to 800 531 to 543, 6 to 700 555 to 621, 5 to 600 610 to 645, 4 to 500 672 to 715, 3 to 400 720 to 740. On Friday in southern Alberta, cow-calf pairs traded from $7,925 per pair to $8,100 per pair. Alberta direct cattle sales last week saw late trade develop with weighted average steer and heifer prices closing the week around $345 per hundredweight, $7 higher than the previous week. Fed cattle from Saskatchewan are coming west into Alberta for slaughter. Last week, butcher cows traded $2 to $3 higher through commercial auction facilities. Feeder cow buyers continue to be very active on the market. Cows that are being put on feed right now will likely be targeting the traditionally strong August market. Last week, steers and heifers traded $344 to $346 FOB the feedlot. Rail $570.50 to $577 FOB the feedlot. In the cow trade in southern Alberta Friday, D1 and 2 cows $240 to $282. D3 cows $222 to $238. Bulls in southern Alberta Friday brought $277 to $315. In the U.S., trade was scattered over the course of the week, and a stronger price tone was noted as the week progressed. Dress sales in Iowa and Nebraska ranged from $405 to $415. Most of the sales were from $410 to $415, $8 to $13 higher than the previous week. Live sales in the north ranged from $258 to $266, with a weighted average price of around $263, $5 stronger. Sales in Texas and Kansas were from $260 to $265, $4 to $7 higher. Negative margins continue to plague the packing industry, and we're seeing some of the smallest slaughter volumes on record, especially on the non-fed side of the market. Year-to-date beef production is down 7% versus last year. National Bona cows averaged $334.52 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 72.72, down 8 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange and mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows: June 254.02 up 65. August 247.37 up 22, October 239.32 up 37. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.